When we first moved up here, we had redwood tanks, and they had been sitting there dry, so they weren't even holding water. So as a drought, the water was coming out slow. A few years later, all of a sudden they started coming out with these water-safe plastic tanks. And it was like a dream come true. Horizontally drilled wells are so nice because it's gravity flow. There's no machines involved. You drill it, and you get to put it in, and it's like this. When you tap into the water, it's all automatic.
How did you learn about
just from old timers and everything. If you have a piece of property, hopefully your water source is above your house.
And where did you learn about that? You're from Deerfield.
I know. Well, I don't know. My brain just tuned into it one day. My dad couldn't. If you handed him a screwdriver, he couldn't even use it. He didn't know. He was all brain. My dad was a corporate attorney, a scholar, everything. And it's just the way it goes. To buy like 3,000 gallons of water is like $400. So, you got them all the time. And especially when you're like doing agriculture, you're spending a lot of money on water. Redwood tanks, when they dry out, then you have to moisten them again for them to seal, because when they dry out, they open up. They invented plastic tanks. It was like God came into the picture. I'm telling you, it's like forever. And then you just keep them full,
With your horizontal wells from the underground lake.
Yeah, one of the next stops. And it's good quality water. You don't have to do anything with it. It's coming out of the hillside.
When you got all the wells drilled, you had all your tanks full. Mm-hmm. Did you celebrate?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, it was about the biggest thing you can ever do, I think, as far as satisfaction.
To bring water to your ranch?
Yeah, to really beef up the water.